Hey, what is up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing, finally, the retail unit of the ROG Phone 5 along with the other freebies that they've got for us. We have here the Aero Active Cooler. At the same time, we have the ROG Cetro 2 Core. So without further ado, let's proceed with our unboxing.
Well, hello there.
Alright, so this is the retail box of the ROG Phone 5, and as you can see, may mga konting design siya dito. Especially if you take a look at on this side, ROG Phone 5, it says there. Dito naman, we have a dent. I don't know why we have this dent on our box. Ganyan na yan nung natanggap namin siya. So, ROG, it wasn't us. Anyway, so we also see some anime style art inside, and it says here, for those who dare. We lift this up, then inside we have the ROG Phone 5. Nothing so different from the previous device that we discussed before. If you want to know more about that, we had a drill down of all the things that you need to know about the ROG Phone 5. Link is in the description below, or you can check it out on this side. Alright, we'll get to that later on, just to give you guys, again, a feel and also the looks of the device for you to be familiar with it. Now, apart from that, yeah, we have here the power brick. Medyo malaki yung power brick niya, no? And we have the braided cable. Now, one of the major changes with the ROG Phone 5 is that it will not ship, or they will not be selling this with the Aero Active Cooler. But that is the case for the international version. We don't know yet if they will be doing the same thing here, but I think they will be announcing this on April 10, 2021. But they were kind enough to send us this Aero Active Cooler. This is actually fit for the ROG Phone 5, and one of the cool things here, apart from better cooling, is that it now has triggers. So apart from the haptic triggers at the top and also here at the bottom, you now have additional ones with or through the Aero Active Cooler 5. Tama ba? 5, no? Right, Aero Active Cooler 5. I guess it would be nice to unbox this as well, apart from all the things inside the retail box of the ROG Phone 5. There you go. Yun. And I don't think it's going to be easy to bring it back. But yeah, this is the Aero Active Cooler 5, really bigger than the previous generation. And as I mentioned, you have your triggers, and they retained what they did with the third edition or third version of the Aero Active Cooler. There is a kickstand or built-in kickstand here as well, which is a pretty nice touch to it. Okay. Now, one of the things as well that they will be bringing to the Philippines would be the ROG Cetro 2 Core. This is, of course, an audio solution for those of you gamers out there. It's fine-tuned for voice talk. It says here TeamSpeak and also Discord, certified for these two applications. And apart from that, it supports high-res audio. We reviewed the first ROG Cetro. Link is in the description down below. You can go and check it out here on the left side. Eman reviewed ROG Cetro 2 Core previously, so you may also want to check it out. We will be reviewing this as well soon, so watch out for that on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. But first, let's unbox this. Okay. Just open it from the top. Nice. Okay. Now inside we have a case of the ROG Cetro. That's very nice. I like that. And we have the unit itself. We have the switch there. We have the I think this one's the right bud and the left one. If we remove the padding, we should see the manual right there, and also a warranty card. And that's pretty much everything. There's nothing more inside. Let's continue removing it or taking it out of the box. There you go. The extra buds are inside this pouch. So you will not find it here inside this box, but it's already inside the pouch included. So all the accessories that you need are all here. Okay. So we have here extra buds, we have here an extra cable. So if your laptop supports left and right channel, or maybe for microphone and also for audio out rather, then you can use this cable right here. And just a quick comparison with the ROG Phone 3. This is the ROG Phone 3. As you can see, the size is actually much different. Now, one of the major changes here would be you will not see anymore the design of the Aerodynamic system that they have. It's already hidden inside. And the shape of the camera has also changed. All right. This one you still get an LED or RGB lighting, but this time the design has changed as well. Now, specs are on the left side of this video. So if you want to know more about it, you can go and check it out. Again, as I mentioned, I did a deep dive of all the things that you need to know about this device. You can go and check it out on the link down below or on this side of the screen. Okay, we have, well, still these portions are covered because this is technically it's main input. So if you want to use the accessories, you can go ahead and remove this cover right here, which likely you might miss. So just place it somewhere you remember. We have the sleep and wake button on this side, plus the volume rockers. And of course, we have the Type-C port, secondary Type-C on the left side, just at the bottom of the display. Now at the bottom, you get the Type-C port, secondary Type-C port. And apart from that, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Now it's odd here. I know it's good for this specific feature to be back, but it might get in the way while you're playing the game. So the best way, if I may recommend, is that if you're going to use the ROG Cetro core, get yourself this one, the Aerodynamic cooler 5, so that if you attach this to the ROG Phone 5, you can easily make use of the 3.5mm input from here and connect your ROG Cetro 2 or any headphone or earphone for that matter. Now I can see that it's attached perfectly right now because I'm hearing the fans working. Okay, I don't know if you can hear it, but this is how it sounds. Right, that's how it sounds. I like the fact that with this design, you can easily grab onto the Aero Active Cooler. I think my only complaint here is that it can get really bulky, but what do you expect? You have here a gaming smartphone. I'm not expecting a gaming smartphone to be really slim at all because there's a lot of things working inside that should maintain an optimized level of thermals for you to get optimized level of performance as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with this device for the next 1 or 2 weeks. Maybe I should be able to release my review on April 10. I think that's also the time when the embargo is lifted, so I should be able to share with you my thoughts about this smartphone. Now, as you guys may be aware, I was not able actually to review the last unit that I was able to showcase because that one is an engineering unit. This one is the actual retail unit that for those of you who will be pre-ordering will be getting. Details of everything or of my, if I may say, observation, my full review and recommendation will be on my full review, which will come out pretty soon on our website. I will still have to think and see, and depending on the workload, if I'll be able to produce a full video for this, but rest assured that I will try my best to do so. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. This is just an unboxing, a small taste of what I will be writing pretty soon. First impressions of the ROG Phone 5 is posted, as I mentioned, on our website, and also was uploaded a few weeks ago. So you can go and check them out here on our channel. If you haven't subscribed, this is the best time to do so. And again, This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. I'll catch you on the next one.